got a situation. Jewelry store robbery off Ventura Boulevard. Be on the lookout for a black SUV heading east on Riverside. All units, be advised.
Pursuing suspect heading east Benny Boulevard, requesting backup.
We gotta get these guys, man, finally.
Yeah, I got him.
Stay on them. You told me this was supposed to be a smash and grab. In and out my ass.
Hey, don't put this on me. Robbie put us up on this. But hey, you see these diamonds? We about to be rich, boy.
Punch it, punch it, punch it.
Go ahead, you son of a gun, run.
I like to see him freaking run.
Yo, they still on us.
Go.
Watch out for the pedestrian.
Whoa, dead end.
All right.
Fuck! Hey, where you going?
Damn.
Passenger! Put your hands up! Get out of the car! Slowly!
Walk over here. Turn around. Get on your knees.
I got him, partner.
Don't move.
Okay.